Alright boys, hopping into this video today. We're going to be going over this trade recap, NQ, short we took this morning, right after PMI. It's Friday, really wasn't planning to trade this morning, but still hopped on the charts, still hopped on the Discord, and was willing to take a trade, but only after PMI. So let's hop into the charts. Let's get rid of everything real quick, hide all my drawings, and let's go. So, what do we know on, let me go on NQ. Alright, on NQ, we know we have PMI, so let's go to the higher time frame. What do we see on the higher time frame? You see we came up, we retested this EMA up here, and we swept out all of these hourly highs. Hourly sweep, hourly sweep, hourly sweep. Okay, what do we do? 4-hour chart. That one candle was literally all of them hourly sweeps right here. So we know we swept out some hourly buy side. So coming into the smaller time frame chart, we want to just wait for market open and wait for that PMI to drop. So where's market open? Let's turn our drawings on now. I know this looks like a lot. It's not a lot. So market open is right here on this blue dotted line. What do we wait for? Wait for that PMI. PMI drops at 945, where 945 is this candle right here. So on that 945, that PMI drops, we sweep out internal sell side, internal sell side. And then what do? We get an inversion, fair value gap, I'm sorry, to the upside again. What does price do? Comes, sweeps out London session highs on NQ. What does ES do? Well, I don't know why I'm going over there. What does ES do? Tries to sweep out that candle open high, that market open candle high, puts equal highs in, leaving an SMT. So come back to NQ. ES did not sweep out London session highs. NQ did, put in an SMT divergence. What do I do after that? Let's get rid of some of this stuff for you guys. I'm just going to leave the position there. So what do? Okay, take our previous swing low to our swing high. I'm sorry. Right, that candle. Previous swing low to swing high. And I wait for an inverse fair value gap or a 79% extension. You can see this is kind of a tiny 1 minute inverse fair value gap. It's not that big, but it still counts. I waited for the 79% extension. We get our 79% extension right here on this candle. What happens? Pull back to that 7.9, start soaking out of it, form a doji, and then start displacing to the downside on this next candle. So what do? I wait for the pullback right here into the 7.9, into the 618. I go short on 2 of my accounts, 2 of these evals that I'm trying to pass. These are the first trades I took on. I'm literally loaded them up last night. And caught this banger right there down to these intermediate lows that we left off of that PMI. Literally just a data low sweep. That's all it is. I don't even have that on here. But yeah, it's just a data low sweep. Just put in the news low, swept that news low. That was literally my take profits. Was that news low? Stops outside this fair value gap that got produced. And yeah, called a 1 to 2. Literally a textbook trade right there. Pretty easy. Wasn't looking for anything crazy because I know it's going to be a volatile day after PMI. Like you can see, just straight up piano tiles and just dump, sweep out London high, and then this is literally the only trade I see today. Unless you waited for that a low sweep and then the pullback into this fair value gap again and the 7.9 again and then shorted again. But once again, your targets would have to be just like this intermediate low, because what are we targeting? London low. You can see London low didn't even get swept yet. Got edged twice, and these intermediate lows already all got swept on that on PMI's I don't know why I can't talk on PMI's open. So that's the only trade I took. Looking at Sol and everything else, this was the only Sol trade that we seen. Which after I took that trade on NQ, it was kind of already like kind of done for the day. I wasn't really looking to take a trade on crypto. But if you do look at crypto, market opens right here, and you get clear displacement, sweeping out London high, sweeping out this internal buy side liquidity. You get a 1 minute inverse fair value gap. You get a change of state and delivery, 79% extension, pullback, and that was literally a textbook trade on Sol too. Like right here, targeting this intermediate sell side and this sell side. Such a beautiful trade. Didn't take it though. We took the NQ trade right here, and I'll show you guys. My fault. Here, I'll just pull it up on my phone. I'll show you the execution. So people are like, oh, you're just saying you made 1.3K or whatever, and you really didn't. So look, here's try and pull this up so I can see. I'll full screen it for you boys. If it'll focus. There you go. Right there. You're up around 860 on that account. And if I switch to the other eval, up around focus boy, focus. Up around 489, 500 on that eval. Did not get it off on the third eval because should have just copy traded them honestly, but didn't get them all off on the third eval because by the time I entered on the two, candle already, you can see candle already soaked up. It was literally already like down here by the time I clicked on the third eval to enter on. So just let it go. So I already had my stops and take profit set on the other two evals. Yeah, didn't put that much size on either. Still a banger trade. But yeah, those were the two trades I took. If you want to learn how I trade like this, you want to learn, join the Discord. Like we teach all of this stuff, drop bangers every day. Go live every single day at 9:30 in the morning. Market open, crypto, futures, we do it all. So let me know. Follow the socials. Pizzy trading on everything, literally everything. And yeah, that was the video for today. That was a great recap. Hope you boys fucking liked it. Bought a banger right there this morning. We were done trading by what? 10:02 a.m. So I'm about to hit the gym and shit. You know, banger video, not video, banger trade. Peace out, boys.